Okay, so getting ready to do one, sing a song, and I want to, in light of the weather's been for the last couple of days. This is an oldie. That's all you're gonna get for a while because that's what's in my soul. So check this out. It goes like this: It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better get ready or bear this in mind. God told Noah, he gave him a rainbow sign. He said that it won't be water, but fire next time. Way back in the Bible days, God told Noah, said it's gonna rain. If something don't happen to the hearts of men, the same thing is gonna happen again. I tell you, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. Thank you, Mama. Mama taught me that one. Daddy taught me that one. They both taught me.